I have been trying to mop it all morning and now it's just huge. But good morning. It's my first morning in the house. Actually, yesterday morning was our first morning, but this is our first like day, morning, whatever, in our house. But back to like, Riley's back to work because it was over the weekend we were moving in. So I'm here alone. I just got up. It's like 8:45 or something. I don't know. But there's so much to do. We have to unpack so much. But I thought I would just film my morning in our new house because we have to unpack so much. But yeah, so I'm walking through the closet. We've been sleeping in like our guest room right now just because this bed is a queen size bed and we plan on getting a king size bed for our room. And we just didn't want to build this into our room and then unbuild it when we get a new bed and put it in here. So I just put it in here and this is where we're sleeping. So yeah, we bought these curtains yesterday. Nice. Okay, but yeah, we have so much to unpack, like everywhere. This is our bedroom. We're just, like I said, not in here yet. So much in here. Clearly everywhere. There's just stuff everywhere. So this morning I'm gonna try to unpack a lot of our kitchen because it's just getting kind of chaotic. Look at our coffee area. Are you kidding me? This is so cute. I'm gonna do that this morning. Try to unpack, organize the kitchen. I organized our underneath of our cabinet last night a little bit with a little lazy Susan and just tried to make it neat because all of our cleaning supplies was in this box right here and it was just the biggest pain. So I was like, I need to organize that. So yes, and also I want to put out there that we are still like going to be getting furniture. This is our furniture from our apartment, which I don't know if you can tell is way small in our living room. Like we need a couch out to like here, but we make do with what we have and we want to find a couch that we really love. So we are just keeping this until we find that, and then once we find something to put here, we'll put this one out here. But yeah, what's Oakley doing? He literally blends in with the leaves. Hi, here's me. Look, here he comes. He's like, let me in, let me in. Look at him. Come on, buddy. Oakley's loving his new house. He has so much fun playing ball in here. There's so much room to run. So yeah, let's get him a treat. If I can get this off. Good boy. Go brush my teeth and stuff like that, and then I'm starting in the kitchen this morning just because I feel like the counter space is just not there, and I want to get it straightened up and cleaned because we get our new stove oven and our new refrigerator today, which I'm so excited about. So I want to get it all straightened up in here. So let's go get ready this morning. Brush my teeth at least. Okay, I decided I'm gonna have a bowl of cereal and then I'm gonna start this morning's cleaning, organizing everything. So all we have for breakfast right now is cereal, just because, you know, no oven, no stove, no, I mean, we do have a refrigerator, but we just have drinks in this right now, some milk. So this is it is, and I'm not mad about it. I would probably eat this even if we did have an oven or a stove. I'm gonna eat at my desk, even though I need to move some things. I'm gonna eat my cereal here at my cute little desk. Hi guys, really quickly I want to talk to you about today's sponsor, which is Casetify, my favorite. You guys know this, I love Casetify phone cases. I'm about to switch out my case. Pretty much the same vibes going on, but I'm switching to the Ultra Impact case for now because I keep dropping my phone. This is the ultimate protection, you can see me, and this one's just really, really cute. I love the simple white floral pattern, but You guys know Casetify has it all. Casetify's Impact and Ultra Impact cases are drop tested approved with their Cheetech 2.0 technology. The Impact cases are drop tested approved up to 6 feet. The Ultra Impact cases are drop tested approved from up to 9.8 feet, which is so high. I don't think I'm ever gonna drop my phone from that high, but it's good to know that if it did happen, my phone is protected with Casetify. Their new Impact and Ultra Impact phone cases are made up of 65% recycled and plant-based materials. They are also compatible with 5G and wireless charging, which I actually have one on my desk, which is wonderful to charge my phone while I'm working. Like I said about this print, I love it. I think it's so cute. This one's customized with my name, which is really cute. And Casetify has just endless print options, customizations, colors, whatever you want, Casetify's got it. And Casetify's phone cases are 100% non-toxic and non-hazardous. They feature an antimicrobial coating, keeping your case germ-free, killing up to 99% of bacteria. These cases are not only the best to get for yourself, but great for friends and family, for birthdays, holidays, whatever it may be, just a fun little gift, just because. Casetify is the way to go. They are seriously the best. Oh, I just turned my flashlight on. They are seriously the best, and I love them. I cannot recommend them enough. And if you want to get one for yourself or a friend or a family member, you guys can go to casetify.com/Messler for 15% off of your phone case. Again, just go to casetify.com/Messler for 15% off of your order. Enjoy your phone case or give a really, really freaking good gift. So definitely check it out. I'll have it linked down below. And happy shopping. Also, you guys, my dad finished building out our little like mud room bench, entryway, seat, whatever you want to call it. All we have to do is add some hooks, and then I have to find baskets for under there. But it looks so freaking good. I'm so obsessed with it. I have to find little baskets, but I love it. It just adds so much. It makes the room, makes the room like, I don't know, the entryway look a little bigger. It's just more custom. It's just so nice. Oh, it's so nice. The shiplap, the wood. Oh, I love it. Just freaking love it, okay? I'm gonna start now officially. I ate my cereal, and I'm gonna start organizing and cleaning. Update, all I've done, I put some glasses away in here, some stuff in this drawer, a few dishes here, and just tried to clear off a little bit. Not much has changed. We started pulling out our refrigerator because our new one should be coming today, we think. Well, as far as we know, it is coming today. That's all I've done. So and then I took a break and I drank my coffee Bradley brought home. But now I'm gonna get back to work. I'm gonna bring some more boxes in because a lot of this is empty. All of these are empty boxes. So yes, we still have so much to do. So yeah, and we have more dishes in the dishwasher that we're gonna wash before I put them away. But yeah. Okay, I just brought all of these boxes in. These are more dishes I need to put in the dishwasher before we put away. Some knives, some more outplay stuff. This has cups in it. I don't know what's in this. And then this I think is just like, I don't even know, stuff. So, lots to do. What just came in. I'm taking off the wrapping, but it's beautiful. Beautiful. Our new refrigerator's here as well, and our like install people, the people who brought them in were so rude. They said like basically our lines back here are just older, and we don't have something to, I don't know. I have no idea, but they were like, we can't do it. Call your own plumber. And then they're like, call Home Depot. They'll give you a plumber for free. So weird though. Like what? And then there's arms, but they're on the inside. The new refrigerator, it's so nice. It's crazy. There's a water maker right there. When I unwrap it and everything gets situated, I'll show you guys more. But here's the oven. So beautiful. I love it. It's so pretty. But yeah, terrible installers. Home Depot, get better people to bring appliances. But I'm so excited for it to be set up. Just have to figure out what we have to do. Figure out how to put it, like the little thingy. I don't know. But yeah, okay. I have the hiccups. Hey, baby. Coffee, she is strong. She's so strong. But actually, wow, the difference. It's really good. Wow, oh my gosh. That was my very first time using my new Breville espresso machine, and the flavor, the coffee is just so good. You can really tell the difference compared to like an espresso machine. Super good. That's exciting. My first one was pretty good. I'm gonna make Bradley one, but wow, I'm gonna clean up first though because I feel like I just made an absolute mess. And I have leftovers still in this cup. Like pour my glass. So good. Little vanilla latte. It tastes like I like went to a coffee shop and got coffee. So good. Okay.